What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to day 24 of this 30-day challenge. So today we are going to learn about chatbot marketing, and we are going to integrate a chatbot into our website that we have developed. So before going to implement the chatbot, let's learn what is chatbot and why it is very important and why you should consider integrating into your marketing system to grow your leads or to grow your influence on the online. Many people are in the in today's marketing environment are slowly coming from email marketing to chatbot marketing. That doesn't mean email marketing is ignored. It's very important, but also you can't ignore the chatbot marketing, which we're going to implement as part of this challenge. So let's jump into my computer. I'll just laid a presentation for you to better understand the importance of chatbots. And let's jump into our computer. We'll see what it is. All right, guys. So do you know how many emails are sent every minute in the world? It's about 1 million. Like in a day, you'll be sending out 33 billion, billions of emails are sent to everyone daily. So among these many emails, you are going to send an email to a person or your audience or your fan. So now what is the problem here is most of them might go to spam because there are a lot of distraction for every person. Like each and every person receives about 9 to 10 emails, and every person have multiple email addresses, and there's a chance like he might miss to check his emails. Like for me, I have about 3-4 email IDs on Gmail, so that doesn't mean I will check every email. Like I will go and log into my email address and check what are the emails on a day-to-day basis. So the problem is the spam. So the problem is the email system are completely independent, like they are open source. No one can control what the person is receiving. Though there are platforms like Gmail and Microsoft or Hotmail, they are putting the artificial intelligence to control the spam, but the spams are growing a lot day by day. And imagine if you are one of the guys sending uh, email to the your subscriber, just like this guy sends. Dr. Batra, who is worried about hair fall and sending spamming all the email addresses, hoping some leads will be generated, and or else let's consider about this Nigerian Prince who is waiting for your money, hoping that you will also make money by submitting your bank account details or whatever. These Nigerian scams are very popular, right? So imagine like you are also one among the email sender along these guys. So that is why chatbot marketing or chatbot Facebook chatbot messenger is very popular right now in these days, because very unconventional way of sending or contacting the users, subscribers. So I just did a research and found that like I found this messenger marketing versus websites, and email. So what happens is when you capture an email from a website, or else you can capture a lead from using chatbot funnel on the same website. This is a number comparing for 10,000 visitors, because chatbot is very new and people don't understand what it is. When they subscribe, when you're sending messages, that pop-up will come on their messenger platform, and they'll think that their friend might have sent the message, and they'll this is why, because the open rates are very high in the chatbot. Initially, like it's 99%, you might not see. I just elaborated, like expanded this image to fit into this presentation, but the average email opening rates is 25%, and opt-in rates also very low when compared to the messenger. Like if you get 10,000 person into chatbot funnel, 7,000 people gonna opt in, like they're gonna click through that message. So at the end of the funnel, like there will be 35 purchases. This is the estimation, like the average estimation for the 10,000 leads that you're going to generate compared to website and email marketing funnel and chatbot funnel. So why chatbot? I'm telling you, like when you I just went to Play Store, Google Play Store, and checked how many people have installed Facebook chatbot messenger on their Android app. This is an Android app, right? On the Android operating system, there are about 62 million users who have installed Facebook Messenger app. That means you have a opportunity to contact 62 million and sell your product, or you can get in touch with them. So 62 millions in the Indian number is about 6 crores. So this is the opportunity you have, and this is just a number from the Android, and if you see an Apple, there will be a similar kind of number. So it's not you and me, it's like a big companies like Wall Street Journal have installed a chatbot on their Facebook page or website, and once a person clicks on the get started button on the website, or there are many other tools that you can promote your chatbot, which we're going to talk in depth. So as soon as this person subscribed, an automatic message will be sent, and the messages will be very personal kind of messages. They'll be very short and it will be very casual. Whereas in an email, I don't know, you gotta send like a professional one. Oh, look, hey, John, we are excited to you be here, and like whatever. Uh, it's very professional. But whereas in the chatbot, you can say, "Hey, John, how are you doing, man? I hope you are doing good. Click on this button." It's like a very instructional based and very personal, one-to-one kind of stuff in the chatbot. So there are many platforms where we can use chatbots, like we can create chatbots. In the 2016 or 2017, what Facebook did is it has released its code to third-party platforms where they can develop chatbot and integrate the chatbot into the Facebook platform. So Builderall, what we are doing, the 30-day challenge is with Builderall. Builderall has inbuilt chatbot platform, and ManyChat, Mobile Monkey, and Chatfuel are the other popular chatbot platforms where you can create a chatbot and integrate into your website or Facebook Messenger page. So as part of this challenge, that we're going to learn the Facebook chatbot, right? So we're going to learn about chatbot etiquette, like what kind of messages you're going to send, like how, because you cannot spam, the messages should not be looking like a spammy messages. It should be very personal, that I told you, right? So we're going to look into that, and we're going to learn how to generate leads from your website or the other growth tools you have, where you can promote your Facebook Messenger and generate leads. And we're going to learn how we can put broadcast messages, and we're going to learn about message sequences, and we learn the difference between the broadcast messages and message sequence. And we can segment the audience based upon their conversations that we happen on the chatbot. Like we can put the tags and send them to other message sequences. And you'll learn how to create automation, like we're going to learn how to get email IDs from the Facebook platform, because the beautiful thing that I'm going to tell you is uh, Facebook know your email, Facebook know your gender, Facebook know your all your demographic information, and a person doesn't need. There's no way that a person can lie to you if you are asking for email, because once you ask email on the chatbot, Facebook will detect that you are asking about his email. Now Facebook will pop up the email ID on the chat, and all he is do is like he has to just tap on that email ID. Boom, that will be submitted in your chatbot platform, and we're gonna send it to the Excel sheet. We're gonna store in an Excel sheet, which is a part of automation. So I'm gonna do it. We're gonna do it in a practical way. So this is what we're going to learn, and I want you to implement the chatbot on your Facebook page and your website, because there's a new technology, there's a new innovation that you have to adopt and get ahead of your competitors or your whatever, like in your niche. So this is all about it, guys, and so tomorrow we are going to create a Facebook page. Now any person can create a Facebook page, but we are going to create a Facebook page in aligning to the chatbot, and we're gonna learn how to not get banned from the Facebook, because there is a Facebook policy that uh, you have to adhere, like you need to follow when you're creating a chatbot. So that we're gonna implement tomorrow, and we'll learn a lot of stuff in the remaining days. I hope you're excited, but I'm very excited to teach you this stuff. You will be way more ahead of your uh, marketing guys in the market, that who makes money with the marketing itself. So if I'm going to tell you a interesting insight. uh, there are millions and millions of Facebook pages, business pages, but not every page has a chatbot integrated. Now, with a chatbot, you can create a lot of stuff, right? It's not about generating leads. You can book a table register. You can book a table in a restaurant using chatbot. You can you can schedule a call. You can like, your imagination is your limitation. You can do a lot of things as part of this automation, which we're going to discuss in this challenge. So this is enough for you to go and rock your marketing stuff when you're gonna promote your own personal branded blog. Like, you're gonna see a fire. Like, you're gonna get a huge number of leads, even if you don't want, because chatbot is the new technology, and many people don't know that they are subscribing to the chatbot. So they will be thinking like they're conversing with you personally, but we're going to put a sequence of messages, instructional messages. So at the same time, if you want to jump into the conversation, you can always jump in from your mobile and continue the conversation. It's up to you, but we're going to discuss about this in very detail. So I'll see you tomorrow. We're going to create a Facebook page for our personal brand, and we're going to put a photo, and we're going to learn about the Facebook policies for the chatbot. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.